Good day. I'm Joshua Sikalabi, together with my group mates, and I'm here to present our program, Drain Brain, Industrial Wastewater Matchmaker. This tool helps identify pollutants generated by different industries and matches them with the correct effluent standards based on water body classifications. Users simply select an industry and the system displays key pollutants like biological oxygen demand, total suspended solids, and ammonia, along with their regulatory limits. For the profile stage of our system, the user is first asked to input basic information like their name, company, and email address. This step helps personalize the sessions and allows for tracking or reporting if needed.
Once the profile is complete, the program will display a two-column list of industries. This includes over 30 industries such as aquaculture, slaughterhouses, manufacturing, and food processing, each linked to specific pollutants based on DAO 2016-08 data. Once the industry is selected, the system automatically identifies the common pollutants it generates. After that, the user is then prompted to input the receiving water body. And once entered, the program will automatically determine its classification based on the system's database.
After identifying the classification of the receiving water body, the program will ask the user whether they want to view the fluent standards associated with that water class. If the user chooses to view them, the system will be then allow the user to select a specific category of parameters they wish to review. These categories includes inorganics, heavy metals, carcinogenic, or all of them. Once a selection is made, the corresponding standard based on DAO 2016-08 will be displayed in a clearly formatted table showing the allowable limits for each parameter under the selected water classification. If the user chooses not to view the standards, the system will simply skip the step and proceed to the next part of the program.
After handling the effluent standard, the program proceeds to ask if the user would like to view the treatment recommendations based on their selected industry. If the user chooses to proceed, the system will automatically match the common pollutant associated with that industry. A table will be displayed containing the recommendation treatment methods along with their estimated costs. Additionally, a summary will be shown indicating the total estimated cost of all the treatment and highlighting the most expensive option. If the user chooses to not view the treatment recommendations, the program will skip the step and continue the final part of that process.
After the summary, the user is prompted whether the analyze another case or exit the program. If the user opts to continue, the program will restart, giving them the opportunity to select a different industry or choose another receiving water body. This feature is helpful for users who wish to compare multiple scenarios. On the other hand, if the user decides not to proceed with another session, the program ends with a thank you message and exit smoothly.